If you want to create a smooth double exposure or overlay effect, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Fotor step by step, using the built-in layers and transparency tools. This is a great way to make creative edits for social media, thumbnails, posters, and graphic design projects. And if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Fotor Editor and upload your base photo. This is the main image that will sit underneath your second image, so choose the one you want to use as the background or foundation for your design. Once your base image is loaded into the editor, take a look at the right side panel. Here, you'll want to click Layers, or if you see the Add Image Layer icon, you can use that instead. Now upload your second photo. This is the image you want to blend on top of the base image. After the second image appears in your workspace, the next step is to resize and position it over the base image. You can drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and you can move it around until it sits exactly where you want it. If you want the effect to look more natural, try aligning the subject, face, guideline, or texture in a way that makes the two images work together visually. Once both images are in place, select the top image. This part is important because the transparency setting will only affect the layer you currently have selected. After that, look at the top toolbar and click the transparency or opacity icon. It usually looks like a checkerboard grid, which is a common symbol for transparency. When the slider appears, lower the transparency slowly. As you reduce the opacity, you'll start to see the base image show through the top image. Keep adjusting until the two images blend together in a way that looks balanced and intentional. If you lower it too much, the top photo may become too faint, so take your time and stop when the double exposure effect looks just right. At this point, you should already have the basic blend effect working. But if you want the images to match even better, there's one more optional step that can really improve the final result. Click Adjust on the left menu. Here, you can fine-tune things like brightness and contrast so both photos feel like they belong together. If one image looks too dark, too bright, or too sharp compared to the other, small adjustments can make a big difference. Matching the tones helps the blended image feel cleaner, smoother, and more professional. You can also experiment a little by changing the position of the top image and then adjusting the transparency again. Sometimes moving the image slightly to the left or right can completely change the look of the final composition. And if you're creating a more artistic design, you can combine blending with other edits in Fotor to make your image even more unique. So that's how to blend two images in Fotor using layers, opacity, and basic adjustments. It's a quick process, but once you learn it, you can use it for all kinds of creative projects. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.